Have you ever stopped to think about how AI understands not just text, but also understands images, audio, and everything happening around it? It might sound like something out of science fiction, but this shift is already reshaping how people and teams communicate and solve problems. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, we'll explore what multimodal AI is, how it works, and how you can use it to streamline tasks across your business. We'll look at real examples, practical applications, and what the future may hold. Let's jump right in. A lot of people still picture AI as something that reads texts and replies with text. That is part of the story, but today's tools do far more. Modern systems can handle multiple kinds of information at once, which opens the door to new opportunities for companies willing to explore them. These multimodal AI solutions can interpret text, visuals, audio, and other formats together, giving them a wider range of abilities than earlier models. Understanding how multimodal AI works starts with the idea of modalities. These are simply the different forms of data an AI can interpret. Older AI systems could only process one modality at a time. Today's systems can handle several simultaneously and blend them into a unified understanding. It helps to think of it like your own brain, which naturally takes in and connects different pieces of information at once. This process depends on three main components. The first is the input module. Instead of one pathway, this module contains several smaller networks, each trained to understand a specific type of data. One interprets texts, one reads images, another handles audio, and so on. By linking them together, the AI becomes capable of accepting prompts in whatever form you provide. The second component is the fusion module. This is where all the information comes together. The fusion module compares, analyzes, and blends data from every input. Because different data types highlight different details, the fusion module looks for the strongest signals across all of them. It uses advanced mathematical techniques, including transformer models, to combine everything into one meaningful representation. The third component is the output module. After the fusion module finishes its work, the output module generates the final response. That might be text, an image, a recommendation, or another action. The result depends on the prompt and the data the system received. The fusion process is the key to multimodal AI. It is what allows these systems to understand and combine information across different formats. The fusion approach is usually described as early, mid, or late, referring to when the data is blended. No matter the type, multimodal machine learning stands apart from traditional systems that process information in a single line. These newer models can take in text, images, and audio at the same time and produce a response that reflects everything together. This opens the door to a wide range of applications. One of the most recognizable is AI assistants and chatbots. Many industries are adopting tools that use voice, text, and visuals to improve customer interactions. These assistants can act almost like team members, helping visitors get answers quickly and tailoring responses based on the information they receive. A great example is Jotform AI Agents. These tools are multimodal, customizable, and simple to build. You can create an agent using the Jotform AI Chatbot Builder and choose how it will function. Because the tool supports different input types, it can assist with tasks such as answering customer questions, completing forms, offering recommendations, or analyzing information. You can train an agent using your internal data, so it responds with your organization's voice. You can also fine-tune its design, choosing colors, avatars, and other visual elements to match your brand. These agents can help your team work more efficiently, respond faster, and provide more personalized experiences for your audience. Jotform AI agents also make it easy to convert an existing form into a task-focused assistant. This setup process is simple. You can start from scratch, begin with a form, or use a template. After that, you train the agent using internal data or test conversations. Then you customize the agent's appearance. And if you prefer not to build one entirely on your own, Jotform offers thousands of templates you can clone and adapt. Healthcare is another field benefiting from multimodal AI. Medical information appears in many forms, from imaging to patient histories. Multimodal tools bring all these inputs together. A doctor could combine x-rays, background details, and real-time monitoring to build a clearer picture of a patient's health. This helps support more accurate diagnosis and more personalized care plans. Multimodal tools can also make administrative tasks easier. For example, a hospice care coordinator AI agent can simplify the intake process for patients and families during emotionally difficult moments. Education also gains value from multimodal AI. Teachers juggle test scores, learning styles, and student progress, which makes it hard to create individualized plans for every learner. Multimodal tools can analyze videos, written assignments, and historical performance to generate insights teachers can use. And for administrative needs, a school administrator AI agent can help manage communication with families and reduce the load on teachers. Retail and marketing teams can use multimodal AI to improve predictive analytics. Customer behavior is often scattered across many sources. With multimodal tools, companies can analyze patterns across in-store actions, online interactions, and social media activity. Sentiment analysis can help reveal how customers feel. Combining these insights with other data creates a more complete picture of the customer's needs. Tools like a real estate agent consultant AI agent can analyze a buyer's details and provide personalized home recommendations. Autonomous systems offer another example. Many vehicles today rely on a combination of camera data, sensors, and radar to support smart driving features. These systems adjust speed, stay in lanes, and respond to the environment using blended information. While still evolving, this technology shows how combining multiple inputs strengthens the system's overall awareness. With all these applications, multimodal AI offers several clear benefits. It can be more accurate because it pulls the strongest details from multiple data streams. It is adaptable because it supports various inputs and outputs for tasks like generating images, writing content, or creating audio descriptions. And it improves usability because natural language processing creates more intuitive interactions for users. There are challenges as well. Data silos can make it difficult to gather everything needed to train a model. Multimodal tools also require large amounts of storage and energy. And because these models are complex, they can be harder to train and maintain, which is why only a limited number of them exist today. Looking ahead, multimodal AI will continue to grow. Generative tools are already moving towards multimodal inputs and outputs. Cross-domain learning may allow specialized AI systems to learn from one another. And as real-time processing becomes faster, multimodal tools may become even better at interpreting live data. If you're exploring AI for your business, choosing a multimodal option can give you more flexibility and long-term value. Tools like Jotform AI Agents can help your team improve the customer experience, increase efficiency, and support sustainable growth. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Sissy with Jotform. Make sure to click subscribe so you can catch all of our upcoming videos. See you next time.